Hello class, I hope you enjoy the following videos. Let me know what you think. So here we are. We finished the midterm last week. We are now at module 6, measurement and verifications. In today's section, we will explore the essential components of energy efficiency and environmental performance measurement. We begin with key concepts in measurement and verifications, M and V, which focus on accurately quantifying energy savings by establishing baselines and accounting for external variables. MMV plan outlines the parameters for measurement, including the scope of the project and methodology used for analysis. The key concept and MV plan will take majority of the time. We will also discuss adjacent measurement period, a method ideal for energy conservation measures, ECMs, that can be toggled on and off, like turn on and off, where the baseline and reporting data are collected in close successions to isolate the effect of the ECM. And we will introduce emission tradings. It's an economic instrument that allows organization to meet emission and, and the caps cost effectively by generating credit when they overachieve on reductions and purchasing credit when they underachieve and when the reduction costs are very high. So MMV, measurement and verifications. Measurement and verification refers to the process of quantifying the energy savings or performance improvement resulting from energy efficiency projects or renewable energy installations. It involves collecting data, analyzing results, and verifying that changes to a system or buildings have led to expected energy savings. So why is MMV important? Accurate saving assessment. It verifies whether energy efficiency project meets the saving target. Performance monitoring identifies operational issues and helps maintain optimal system performance. Third, financial accountability. MMV provides transparency for stakeholders, particularly when fundings or government incentives depends on validated energy savings. Last, continuous improvement. Identify opportunities for additional efficiency measures or corrective actions. EVO. EVO is an independent non-profit organization. It's called Efficiency Valuation Organizations, EVO. It was founded to develop and promote standardized method for measuring and verifying energy efficiency and water efficiency as well. Water efficiency project globally. EVO focuses on developing the IP MVP, the International Performance Measurement and Verification Protocol, IPMVP. Again, it's International Performance Measurement and Verification Protocol, which is widely recognized as the global standard for MMV in energy efficiency projects. Professional in energy auditing, energy management, and performance contracting often refer to EVO and its protocols when discussing or documenting the measurement and verification processes. They also provide training and certifications for professionals in energy measurement and verification, such as the Certified Measurement and Verification Professionals, CMVP designations. They also support best practices in energy efficiency evaluation and verifications. The volunteers, EVO volunteers, come from a diverse range of backgrounds in energy and water efficiency sectors. They usually include, for example, industry professionals, energy managers, engineers, energy auditors, and academic researchers. Researchers focus on energy efficiency and sustainability. Also, policymakers and government people. People who work in public sectors, energy agencies, regulators, right, involved in setting standards for energy efficiency programs. They are also consultants and independent experts, specialists in energy performance contracting, people from utility or international organizations and NGOs, right? Sustainability advocates and environmental experts. So these are volunteers contributing their time and expertise by sometimes reviewing or updating EVO's protocols, deliver training programs, so on and so forth. EVO relies on this volunteers network to maintain its global reference and in the field of energy efficiency. The International Performance Measurement and Verification Protocols, IPMVP, was first created in 1996 by US Department of Energy, DOE, as a standardized approach, right? We needed a standardized approach for measuring and verifying energy savings from efficiency project. Later, the protocol was transferred to EVOs, which continue to develop and maintain IPMVP. Later on, about 6 years later, to early 2000s, right? Early 2000s, ASHRAE, they create this guideline 14, which provide procedures for measuring energy and demand savings. It was first published in 2002 by ASHRAE. It was developed to complement protocols, the IPMVP, providing detailed method for baseline energy use, determination, measurement accuracy, and uncertainty analysis for various efficiency projects. ASHRAE Guideline 14 does not and cannot replace IPMVP. They serve different but complementary roles in measurement and verifications. IPMVP, for example, provides the general principles and the framework for MMV. It focuses on defining MMV approaches for energy efficiency project, and is widely adopted as a global standard. ASHRAE 14, Guideline 14, it's a more technical and detailed than IPMVP. It provides specific statistical and accuracy requirements, such as confidence and precision levels for energy saving calculations. The key difference here is IPMVP is a high level, flexible, it offers multiple options, retrofit isolation that we will discuss in a moment, whole building method, right? Compared to ASHRAE 14, Guideline 14, the Guideline 14 provides detailed guidance on how to ensure measurement accuracy, right? So in practice, IPMVP is often used to define a measurement and verification approach, while ASHRAE Guideline 14 provides the detailed methodology needed to meet the accuracy requirement, right? Save on energy, right? Save on energy, MMV, it's a MMV procedures that's essential, and it's an additional template that built on IPMVP and ASHRAE Guideline 14. It provides specific guidelines and requirement for Ontario, for example, for Ontario energy efficiency programs. How they fit in? Well, again, IPMVP provides the high-level overall MMV framework. ASHRAE Guideline 14 gives the detailed technical and accuracy standards. Then save on energies, right? The MMV procedures applies these principles in a way that align with Ontario's energy incentive programs. So it's a customized template, right? If you're interested, check out their website. Okay. So here, the overview is IPMVP. It's a framework, defines terms used in determining savings after implementation of a project. USDOE first started in 1996, then transferred to the EVOs later. So the most recent version is 2022.